Have you ever wondered how Kenya, a country in East Africa, is rapidly becoming a tech hub? Nestled by the Indian Ocean, this nation is making unexpected strides in the tech industry. Stay tuned to uncover the journey of Kenya's tech industry. The dawn of Kenya's tech industry can be traced back to the early 2000s with the introduction of the mobile phone. This small device sparked a big change, laying the groundwork for a tech revolution. It wasn't long before the Kenyan people started taking advantage of this technology, crafting innovative solutions like M-Pesa, a mobile money transfer service that transformed the financial landscape. This was just the beginning of Kenya's tech evolution, an evolution that is still ongoing. Over the years, Kenya's tech industry has experienced exponential growth, leading to the birth of numerous tech companies and startups. This surge is not accidental. It's a product of supportive government policies and substantial foreign investments. From mobile money innovations to software development, these startups have disrupted traditional industries, creating a vibrant digital economy. This tech boom has not only transformed the nation, but also attracted global attention. This tech boom has placed Kenya on the global tech map, earning it the nickname Silicon Savannah. With its current trajectory, what does the future hold for Kenya's tech industry? Let's take a glimpse. The government's vision is clear: to make Kenya a global tech hub. Ongoing projects like Konza Techno City, a technology city dubbed Africa's Silicon Savannah, are testament to this commitment. This grand venture alone is expected to create over 200,000 jobs, significantly boosting the economy. Then there's the burgeoning startup culture, with young Kenyan entrepreneurs harnessing technology to solve everyday problems, creating a ripple effect of innovation and employment. The potential impact on Kenya's economy and job market is immense. This is a nation that is not just embracing the digital age, it's leading the charge. In the face of a rapid digital transformation, Kenya is poised to remain at the forefront of Africa's tech revolution. Only time will tell how far this East African nation will go in the tech.